Welcome to the 24th session of VB. The main objective of today's session is to learn the concepts of arrays. So in arrays, we will know the definition of arrays, properties of arrays, different types of arrays, how to declare one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. So at the end of the session, the students will know the definition for the array, the different types of arrays, declaration of the arrays, and how to use an array in a program. Let's see what is the definition of an array is. An array is a structured data type consisting of a group of elements of the same type. So you can say that an array is a collection of elements of the same type. If you want to declare a variable of the same type, then you can put them under the heading as arrays. The different properties of an array are: all the elements of an array must be of the same type. Each element of an array is referred to by specifying the array name followed by the subscripts. Each subscript is enclosed in parentheses. Each subscript must be expressed as a positive integer. The subscript will start from 0. The lower limit is 0. The individual data item can be characters, integers, floating point numbers. The individual elements within an array are known as subscripted variables. So the different types of arrays are, there are mainly two types of arrays in VB. One is the static arrays, wherein the size of the array remains constant during the execution time. The second type is the dynamic array, where the size of the array can be changed during the execution time or at the runtime. Let's see more on static array. It is also known as a fixed size array, where the size of the array always remains same throughout the execution of the program. Static arrays can be classified as one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. So now let's see how to declare the syntax for declaring the one-dimensional array. So you have to mention the dimension. There are two ways you can declare the the one-dimensional array. In the first form, you can just say dimension followed by the name of the array, and within bracket mention the size of the array and which data type it is. So this is the syntax. So here dimensions statement is used for variable declaration. So data type declares the type of elements to be stored in the array. So it can be a float, integer, char or double. And array name is the name of the array which follows the rule for constructing an identifier name. And size specifies the maximum number of elements that an array can store. So here is an example for declaring an array. So here you have a array name as list and its size is 5 and the type data type of that is integer. So in this array named as list, you can store 5 different elements of the integer type. Okay, so here it starts from the array indexing starts from 0. So this is how it is stored: 0, 1, so till 5. So you can store 6 different integer values in the array variable list. Let's see how to declare a 2D array or a two-dimensional array. So here an array which have two elements with two subscripts are known as the two-dimensional arrays. A two-dimensional array consists of both rows and columns. So it is also known as the double-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. The best example for the two-dimensional array is a matrix. And you can also say the graphs where you are saving the x and the y coordinates. So you can just apply the concept of arrays and use the matrices and the graphs. So here is an example or the way you declare a two-dimensional array. Give the name of the array name. Mention the size 1 and size 2 as the index, x-axis and the row numbers and the column numbers. So here you can declare two-dimensional arrays. So these are the steps followed to declare the two-dimensional arrays. So this is an example where you are declaring the array name as list. The row size is 3 and the column size is 4. So here totally you can store a maximum of 12 integer values So this is you can give an example of a matrix of size with 3 rows and 4 columns. So totally in this you can store a maximum of 12 integer values. So it's a product of row into column number. So that is 3 into 4. So let's answer a few questions. An array is a set of variables. Each individual variable is called as, the options are subscript, element, a subscripted variable, an index. The individual variables in an array are accessed by their dash, which is their position in the array. The options are dimension, list count, subscript, item count property. The third question is, declare an array and specify the number of elements using dash. Thank you.